Hi butterflies, I am so embarrassed because it's been obviously quite some time and I miss y'all. I so miss being on YouTube, but I've been gone for good reasons. Let me just quickly say that this is not going to be my typical video. I will still provide some affirmations at the end. I just kind of want to give a quick little story time. Yeah, your girl literally lost her confidence. And it's crazy because I make these videos to motivate and to empower anyone and everyone, right? And to provide advice, empower people, and to remind people that we literally are such powerful human beings, that we were placed on this earth for a reason, that we have purpose, whether we know what it is or not. And so for me to finally admit to myself that I did lose my confidence and that I lost my spark and that I was just not happy with myself. So when everything started to crumble and hit the fan, I literally took that as a sign to step away from YouTube and step away from a lot of things and just to focus on myself, my journey, and get back to being me again. It's a crazy thing when you lose your confidence, but you also don't wake up with confidence, really, do you know? I think it's something that you have to create with evidence. And I did not realize how bad I needed that 75 hard challenge until I completed it. And I'm not saying that my big back is the reason that I lost all of my confidence. No, that's definitely, way up there. But there were several other reasons that I'm not going to get into, but other areas in my life that I was just not happy with, career-wise. Just personal goals for myself, even being a content creator, I didn't feel like that was going well. Ultimately, I had to be honest with myself and say, listen, you just lost your confidence. You just have to get it back. I'm sleeping. I'm literally sleeping on myself and I don't know why. And that's the thing, when you start to notice your own red flags, you cannot let it get bigger. You cannot let it get worse. That's like a crack in a mirror and it's just going to get worse over time if you don't fix it, if you don't change out that window, right? So for me, it's like as soon as I realized what was really happening, that it was my confidence, my lack of self-esteem, that's where my self-doubt was coming from. That's why I had so much imposter syndrome. That's why I didn't believe in myself anymore. So I had to build it back up. I had to start from square one. And like I said, the 75 hard challenge really pushed me to my limits. It really proved to me that if I really want it, I would go get it. I went through hell and back to finish this 75 hard challenge, and I did things that I didn't even think I was capable of. I did things that I didn't even imagine I would ever do. Walking every day during the winter too, at that, with snow, while snowing, please miss me with all that. But I did it, and I did it for 75 days, actually longer, because I found a way to enjoy this routine, this new lifestyle, this new fitness journey. So yeah, it was more than 75 days. But granted, if you really want it, you would go do it. You really just have to ask yourself, one, how bad do you really want it? How bad do you want to change your life? How bad do you want to get your confidence back? So number one, start creating that evidence, start creating proof to yourself that you are capable. So me showing up for myself every single day in the gym proved to me that, okay, oh shoot, I can do it. Me changing my eating habits and eating cleaner, whole foods. Oh snap, my waistline is getting, where is it actually? Where is my waistline? Amazing things start to happen, and once you start seeing that evidence, the changes, the consequences, then you're like, okay, so I really could do it. It's nothing. What? It's hard?
What? It's hard?
That is what I mean by evidence. Evidence. You need to remind yourself that you've been had it, that you've been had the sauce, you got the magic. But if you're not using it, you lose it, right? So you have to start using it. You have to create those experiences. I'm so dehydrated. Number two, consistency. I'm not going to lose 5 pounds and be like, yeah, I did it, woohoo, done, I got the evidence I needed and my journey's over. No, we're going to be consistent, okay? We're in it for the long run. But when they say consistency, and it's so annoying to hear that sometimes, but honestly, you get the most results, the most beautiful results with consistency. This is why they say if you're in it for the right reasons and you have that passion, you have that fuel, ooh, babes, you're gonna go so far in life. And before I forget, more hand in hand with the evidence perspective, you want to make sure that you're keeping the promises to yourself. I told myself I was going to do the 75 hard challenge, so what did? I did it for 75 days. I cannot lie to myself. It's me. I love me, right? We're going to put some respect on her name. If I say that I'm going to read, keep that promise to yourself, babe. It is super important that you do so, because otherwise you'll just feel like a failure. Like, if you can't even keep a promise to yourself, if you can't be honest with yourself, then like, you're literally setting the standards for other people to lie to you, to waste your time, to play in your face, if you can't even respect yourself. It's been a minute since I did a chit chat, so I hope it's making sense. But it's like a friend. You invite them to go out with you, and every weekend they're like, oh, I'm sorry, I can't. Oh, my car broke down. Oh, I can't get a babysitter. Like, they're always flaking on you, so eventually you're just not going to want to invite them one. But also, you're just not going to really believe them. And so it's the same for ourselves. If I can't keep a promise to myself, why would I ever believe anything I say? You believing that you're going to do what you say you're going to do, and you actually go through with it and do it and prove to yourself, like, yeah, you know what, hell yeah, of course I'm going to get that confidence back, of course. And that's exactly what confidence is. It's a result of you taking action. It's a result of you actually doing it. You can talk all you want, talk, oh, yeah, I'll do that, yeah, I'll get to that, yeah, I wish I no, it's actually when you do it, then you're like, okay, yeah, big dog. Literally, once you start doing is where that confidence comes. So a lot of times we're going to just have to jump into something without feeling ready. You want to be a content creator, start filming even if you don't feel ready. I did the 75 hard challenge. Am I a fitness guru? Did I know what I was doing half the time, or am I a trainer? No, but I did it. I started. Eventually you'll get there. You'll gain the knowledge and all the other things that you need, but you just have to go for it. Sometimes you have to believe in that first step. Take that first step. Just start. And there's really never going to be a perfect time. If you wait till you have the perfect aesthetic home to film your get ready with me's and daily vlogs, you're never going to start. You keep waiting for something when you should just do it. Like Nike says, literally just start, just do it. And the last point I just want to finish this off with is that we have to be kind to ourselves. I don't know if you guys seen that trend where you have a coffee with your younger self, and I cry every single time I watch it, but I love that trend because it's really illustrating, I'll put an example on the screen, but it's really illustrating how your younger self would talk to you, like what she would ask you, and how you now would respond, and like what you guys would discuss. And it's such a beautiful trend. I love to see that, but that also puts it into perspective of how we have to be gentle with ourselves. This is my first time being this current age. This is my first time ever being in this situation where I am today, right now. So how can I ever expect myself to know better? How can I talk to myself harshly if I'm doing my best? A lot of times we look in the mirror, we hate what we see, and we talk bad, or we're like, oh, I knew you couldn't do this. And watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. That's why I also really love affirmations, because it's a way to remind ourselves that I am capable. I can do this. I am amazing. I am trying. We all need that reminder that we are doing our best. And it doesn't help that when we criticize ourselves, our brain is going to start to believe it. Whatever you say, your brain is going to believe it. It could be a lie. You could say, oh, I'm the fattest person I ever saw in my life. Your brain's gonna be like, okay, I'm the fattest person. Okay, I'm the fattest person I ever saw in my life. Yeah. Why do that to yourself? This is why they say you have to be careful with what comes out your mouth. Your mouth is so powerful. It is so magical, right? And you can literally manifest anything by your words, what you say. There's also a thread that I saw in the Shade Room, which I don't even support the Shade Room. They did have a thread about how rappers and artists manifested or predicted, the future with their lyrics. And that's because what you say is very powerful. Whether it's good or bad, it doesn't matter. You think your brain is going to depict like the difference? No, it's whatever you say, it's going to believe. So we always want to be kind to ourselves. It's very important, especially for our confidence. Even if you don't believe it, keep saying it. I'm amazing, I'm great, until you believe it. I absolutely love performing my affirmations, especially while doing skincare, because this is my self-care time. This is the time I'm catering to myself. I'm dedicating this 5-10 minutes to me, to remind myself that yes, I am beautiful. Yes, I am wonderfully made. Y'all think I do this for funsies? I mean, I do, but I do this to literally help me and you, all of us. And once again, that is the meaning of confidence. Loving yourself through every stage. Loving yourself as you are through every season, every day. Love yourself. So that was a mouthful, but like I said, I'm officially back. I really hope that you guys didn't miss me too much. I hope you're not mad at me. Don't beat me up. But no, seriously, if you guys want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to see more. As always, we are going to end the video off with some affirmations for confidence, for gaining your confidence back. But if this is your last few seconds here, I do appreciate you. I do love you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you can help your girl out. Like I said, we are back and I'm just feeling so much better. So I'm excited for the content, and so I hope you are as well. And I will see you guys next time. Affirmations for confidence and self-love. Repeat twice. I am valuable and deserving of love, happiness, and peace. I am enough just as I am. I am more powerful than my fears. My beauty is unlike anyone else's, and I embrace what I see in the mirror every day. I believe that my gifts are endless. I make a difference in the world simply by being myself. I deserve every opportunity that comes my way. I will continue to pursue my dreams with confidence. Each breath I take fills me with self-love, confidence, and courage. I let go of all limiting beliefs and continue to unlock new levels of my potential. I am valuable and deserving of love, happiness, and peace. I am enough just as I am. I am more powerful than my fears. My beauty is unlike anyone else's, and I embrace what I see in the mirror every day. I believe that my gifts are endless. I make a difference in the world simply by being myself. I deserve every opportunity that comes my way. I will continue to pursue my dreams with confidence. Each breath I take fills me with self-love, confidence, and courage. I let go of all limiting beliefs and continue to unlock new levels of my potential. Until next time, butterflies, love you, bye.